One key component of the Landroid is the boundary wire. This wire creates a work area for the mower and serves to keep the mower in your yard. That's a good thing. The Landroid will ride over and near the boundary wire, so it's very important to follow the instruction manual. The wire does not need to be buried. Grass will grow over the wire within a couple of weeks. If you choose to bury the wire, it should not be buried more than 2 inches deep. Your Landroid will want a straight path to the charging base station. Leave 12 inches to the left of the base and 32 inches to the right of the base. Secure the wire with a peg, leaving 2 to 3 feet of excess wire. This excess end will be run in the base grooves and connected to the red alligator clip. A peg should be placed about every 32 inches. Use your best judgment. There'll be times when you may need to place pegs closer together or further apart. Be sure to use the provided ruler to measure the correct distance that the Landroid should be away from the edge of the wall. Any solid obstacle that is close to a wall and would be in the way of the Landroid should be excluded from the mowing area. This can be done by placing the boundary wire so that the Landroid goes around the obstacle. For any right angle turns inside the boundary, you can use a supplied triangular ruler. Running the wire this way allows the Landroid to easily navigate these right angle turns. Be sure to still use the other ruler to measure the distance away from the wall. Secure the wire at the point of the triangular ruler. Run the wire back to the other point. Also, for right angle turns inside the boundary, be sure to curve the edges a bit to allow the mower to easily maneuver the turn. In cases where the pavement or sidewalks are flush with the ground, you can use the closer measurement of the ruler. This will allow the Landroid to ride over the pavement. This also allows you to cut closer to the edge, allowing for less trimming. Continue to run the wire along the edge of the lawn until you return to the charging base station. For more advanced boundary wire setup, please see our video on islands.